Hi, today in front of me REALME GT Neo 3T, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then tap to the personalizations. Click agree and continue, tap to allow and click to wallpaper section. Click agree, continue and allow again, and after that we can see here the album section. Here you can find all of the photos previously taken on your device camera or downloaded from the internet. And here we can see our static and live wallpapers, the defaults. So for example, let's use this photo to set it on the lock screen. Click apply and select lock screen. After that, wait a second, and now let's check it. And as we can see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first hold for a while our home screen with the finger on the left down corner. After that, you'll see wallpaper section, and just by the same way, select one from these available wallpapers and just tap to apply, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.